I was born on the wonderful island of Jamaica. My formative years were there, and I did not realize I was poor. I wanted to have people see that, someone who looks like me, who came from where I came from, could create something that is now available to the whole world. Everything is possible. I'm Dr. Rosemarie Ingleton, and I'm the founder of Rose Ingleton MD Skincare. Truthfully, I'm a unicorn in this space. I'm a dermatologist with over 20 years of experience. I created my skincare line for my patients. I was inspired by them. The products are for everyone. I wanted it to appeal to men, women, older, younger folk. When I created my line, my dream was always to end up at Sephora. Anything that came before that was building to that. And then Sephora found me. It was amazing. Our ethos are so aligned. So to be finally a part of the Sephora family, being on Sephora.com is absolutely the answering of a dream. I can't tell you how much my parents' constant support has been what made me really thrive. My family always had a lot of fruit around the house. And it wasn't until after my training, really, when I realized that a lot of the fruit products that we were ingesting had skin benefits. My mother, she was always meticulous about cleansing her skin. She was using the things we had around the home, granules from the kitchen, that would give her the benefit of an exfoliation. But what I did learn from her was the importance of cleaning your skin. I first created a moisturizer. It has all of the great stuff in there that I thought you need for just basic good skin health. That's totally separate from my Jamaican superfruit blend, which is what makes my products special. That is my secret sauce. And that's what ties back to my heritage. All the fruit extracts that I put in there and the hyaluronic acid and all of that. That's what makes it stand apart. I definitely focused on making sure that the products were being cleanly sourced. The product is literally vegan. I wanted to be able to reach as many people from as many backgrounds as possible and to show inclusivity in my product line, and now being a part of Sephora showing inclusivity in the representation of brands on their shelves is a really perfect union.